It will be green and warm for a while until it turns to dirt. Then you can lie in my arms until it turns to dirt. Then you can lie in my arms until it turns to dirt. Then you can lie in my arms. Until it turns to dirt, then you can lie in my arms. Until it turns to dirt, then you can lie in my arms. Until it turns to dirt, then you can lie in my arms. Until it turns to dirt, then you can lie in my arms. I walked where no path dared to go, through misty hills where silence grows. The wind it spoke in broken tones of distant lands and holy bones. And in the hush I heard the call of voices rising past it all. Echoes from Zion calling through time, guiding our steps with rhythm and rhyme. Whispers of truth in the mountain breeze, carried by rivers rooted in trees. The elders sang in the firelight, the stars that watched us through the night. Their songs like smoke still linger near, in every drum, in every tear. So light and fire, and close your eyes and feel their stories start to rise. Echoes from Zion calling through time, guiding our steps, rhythm and rhyme. Whispers of truth in the mountain breeze, carried by rivers rooted in trees. Zion's not a place we find, it lives inside the rhythm of time. Echoes from Zion, deep in the soul, drumming us forward, keeping us whole. They never left, they only grew. Now we are Zion, me and you. your fingertips in the morning hush, where the shoreline dips. The sun was shy, the sky was wide, and every breeze held your sigh inside. Now the tide rolls in, the day begins, but your voice is gone with the ocean winds. Letters in the sand, the memory of you is to last. I still feel your touch in every breeze, like whispered love from island seas. The hammock sways where we used to dream, under moonlight, slow silver stream. I chase your shadow down the bay, hoping to find what drifted away. The waves may wash the marks you drew, but I still carry the best of you. Letters in the sand, they fade time forward, but the memory of you to last. I still feel your touch in every breeze, like whispered love from island seas. I reach your name, but the phone still sings. Even the ocean holds our things. Letters in the sand, gone with the tide, but in my heart you never hide. The sky may turn, the sea may roam, but your love still walks me home. At the edge where the sea runs black, old boots sit, never coming back. The dock still sways in dead men's time. Salt and sorrow in the brine. They say the tide talks late at night, calling names with ghostly light. Ghosts of the wharf still reel and roll, whispers caught where trade winds blow. Gone with the tide, but never far. They haunt the moon and guide the stars. Their nets still drift in island dreams. Faces flicker through the steam. Children play where anchors lie. Not not knowing why their mothers cry. Every wave that strikes the post sings the name of just one ghost. Ghosts of the war still reel and roll. Whispers caught where trade winds blow. Gone with the tide, but never far. They haunt the moon and guide the stars. He said he'd be back by nightfall, but the night never ends. Ghosts of the wharf, we feel them near. In every storm, in every tear. Though time forgets, the ocean knows where every lost man's spirit goes. Mama sat by the evening tide, shells in hand, tears she tried to hide. She spoke to winds that knew her name, telling stories wrapped in flame. The sun was low, the light turned gold, her voice a memory soft and old. Whispers by the shore, they call to me. Echoes of a love I still believe. Every wave returns a song once more. Heartbeats dancing on the ocean floor. I walk the path where we once sang. The cliff still holds your laugh, lifters claim. The island breeze, but you're not near. Still I hold your smile right here. The tide comes in, the sky turns blue. I close my eyes and talk to you. Whispers by the shore, they call to me. Echoes of a love I still believe. Every wave returns a song once more. Heartbeats dancing on the ocean floor. I hear you in the rustling leaves, feel you in the warm night breeze. Whispers by the shore, they carry on like lullabies when day is gone. You're in the foam, the song, the sea, forever here, just out of reach of me. quiet smile, eyes like the sea, calm and wild. I had no map, just restless feet, but you made every lost part of me. And the shade wrapped round us like a song, a place where broken hearts belong. Under the breadfruit tree, I found you near. No need for words, your silence clear. The world stood still, the sun bowed low, and in your arms I let it go. Seasons pass, but the tree still stands, like the promise in your hands. Through storm and fire, through salt and rain, you stayed and held me through the strain. And every time I lose my way, your love still points me home to stay. Under the breadfruit tree, I found you near. Säkring samlar närvaro, innen var super till sig. Under the breadfruit tree, we still remain. Through joy, through sorrow, through the rain. If this is late, through the rain. If this is life, then let it be. Forever under that breadfruit tree.
She walks with fire in her feet, market steps and jungle heat. Wrapped like gold, voice like waves. She carries storms and still she stays. They whisper queen, they whisper grace, but she just smiles and knows her place. She wears the crown of the island high, under the mango, under the sky. She don't need no throne or gold. Her spirit shines fierce and bold. Washing clothes or planting seeds, telling stories, meeting needs. She laughs like thunder, loves like rain. She is the balm, she is the flame. No jewel can match the light she brings. No song can hold the way she sings. She wears the crown They say be still, don't shake the cage. But I don't sleep inside the sage. We move like roots beneath the street. Quiet storms with dancing feet. We don't shout, we don't strike, but we move like morning light. We rise without a sound. No chains, no shouts, no battleground. From broken stone to sacred ground, we rise without a sound. Our history's carved in coral walls. In every scar, the island calls. But still we plant, and still we grow, and sing what silence wants to show. No flags, no fire, no parade. Just souls too strong to ever fade.